Welcome, everyone. Today, I want to share a story about a young man who couldn't even say, "Hello, how are you?" properly in English. No expensive courses, no foreign friends, no teacher, just him, his phone, and ChatGPT. Day by day, mistake by mistake, sentence by sentence, he changed. ChatGPT became his secret teacher, his patient friend, his judgment-free zone. After months of small, consistent practice, he started dreaming in English. He started speaking without fear. And the best part? If he could do it from zero, you can too. This is not just inspiration. This is a complete, real guide showing you exactly how to use ChatGPT to learn English at home. No pressure, no embarrassment, no confusion. Stay till the end because this could be the turning point for your English journey. If you're serious, hit subscribe now. Let's begin. My name is Arjun. I'm 24 years old. I live in a small city in India where English feels like a foreign world. For years, I told myself, I don't need English. My life is fine. But inside, I was terrified. I avoided jobs that asked for English, skipped talking to people online, and felt small every time someone switched to English. Everything changed because of my little sister. She got selected for a big scholarship program abroad. When the interview call came, on video, she was excited but nervous. The panel asked questions in English. She answered okay, but then they asked her something about her plans. She panicked, looked at me, and whispered, "Baya, help me explain." I froze. I couldn't even form one clear sentence to support her. I just smiled awkwardly. After the call, she cried. Not because she failed, she got selected, but because she felt alone in that moment. And I felt like I failed her. That night, I promised myself, never again will I be helpless when my family needs me. I will learn English. No excuses. The next morning, I opened ChatGPT for the first time. My hands were shaking. I typed my first message. "Hello, my English very bad. Please teach me slowly. No judge." The reply came instantly. "Hi, Arjun. No judgment here. Your English is not bad. You just started. We can go very slow. Tell me, what do you want to learn first?" That one reply gave me courage. No one had ever been so kind about my mistakes. That was day one. I decided, only 15-20 minutes every morning. No more so I don't burn out. Before phone scrolling, before breakfast, I opened ChatGPT. What I did. Daily diary in broken English. I wrote, "Today I wake up 7 a.m. I feel hungry. I eat paratha." ChatGPT corrected gently. "Great effort. Here's a better version. Today I woke up at 7 a.m. I felt hungry. I ate paratha." Then it explained, wake, woke, past tense. Feel, felt. No long lectures, just clear, short explanations. I read the corrected version aloud 5 to 10 times in front of the mirror. I recorded it on my phone and listened. My voice sounded strange at first, but it was mine. 5 easy daily sentences. I asked, "Give me 5 simple English sentences for morning routine with Hindi meaning." Examples, I'm getting ready. मैं तैयार हो रहा हूँ. I'm running late. मैं late हो रहा हूँ. I made my own sentences, ChatGPT corrected. I repeated aloud. After 2 weeks, simple sentences stopped scaring me. Speaking was my biggest fear, so I told ChatGPT, let's do role play. You be shopkeeper, I'm customer. Speak slowly. Example, ChatGPT. "Hello, sir. What would you like?" Me. "Give me milk and bread." ChatGPT. "Good try. More natural. Can I have 1 liter of milk and a packet of bread, please?" We continued. Each mistake equals gentle correction plus explanation. I practiced one situation for 3 to 4 days. Shop, market, asking directions, doctor visit, phone call with friend, job interview basics. I printed the chats, acted both roles in front of mirror, recorded myself. After a month, ordering food or asking for help felt possible, even if I never did it in real life yet. To stop forgetting, every night, 15-20 minutes, tell ChatGPT what I practiced today. Today I learned can I have and past tense of eat or drink. Ask for quick review quiz. Notebook. English Day 15. Write new words, corrected sentences, doubts for tomorrow. Ask for motivation. I practiced 20 minutes today. Give me feedback and encouragement. ChatGPT always replied warmly. You're consistent. That's the real secret. Proud of you. Read old notebook pages aloud to refresh pronunciation and memory. This locked everything in my brain. I told ChatGPT, I still think in Hindi first, then translate. Help me think directly in English. It said, describe everything around you in simple English. Start now. I started narrating my day aloud, alone. I'm sitting on chair. Fan is on. Phone is charging. I feel tired but happy. ChatGPT helped, gave phrases like, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm feeling nervous. This is difficult, but I'm trying. I described feelings too. I feel proud today because I didn't skip practice. Slowly, translation stopped. My brain started forming English thoughts first. My mouth still felt slow. ChatGPT suggested, speak every sentence aloud. Use the mirror, record, and compare. I did shadowing. ChatGPT gave short paragraphs I repeated exactly. I asked, speak the sentence slowly so I can copy pronunciation. Even though no voice, I read aloud and focused on flow. I recorded full role plays and listened daily. My tongue got faster. Words came out clearer. Told ChatGPT my life stories in simple English. It listened, corrected, asked questions. Asked for jokes, movie summaries, cricket match talks, all in easy English. When demotivated, asked, motivate me like a best friend. It always lifted me. After 4 or 5 months, I could chat with strangers online, help my sister with English homework, and even speak in office meetings. Not perfect, but confident. Fluent enough to live, not just survive. You don't need talent. You need consistency plus ChatGPT. Start today. Open it. Type, help me learn English from zero. Go slow. Be my teacher.